Why you get dizzy during your period and how to fix it. Feeling a little woozy or lightheaded around the time of your period can be unsettling, but it's a surprisingly common experience. While it can feel concerning, this dizziness is usually a side effect of normal, but manageable, physiological changes happening in your body. It is rarely a cause for serious alarm. To get relief, we need to understand the why. The four main culprits are blood loss, dehydration, shifting blood pressure, and blood sugar changes. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down each cause and give you a simple action plan for feeling better fast. The first and most serious potential cause is iron deficiency anemia, especially if you have heavy periods, known medically as menorrhagia. Iron is essential for the hemoglobin in your red blood cells, which is what delivers oxygen to your entire body, including your brain. When heavy flow depletes iron, oxygen delivery drops, leading to that characteristic woozy feeling and extreme fatigue. The key takeaway here is, test, don't guess. Do not start an iron supplement without first getting a blood test, specifically a CBC and ferritin level, from your doctor. If you are deficient and start supplementing, remember to take your iron with vitamin C, like a glass of orange juice, to dramatically increase how much your body absorbs. Two major causes are often linked: dehydration and low blood pressure. Intense cramping, diarrhea, or heavy flow all cause you to lose fluids and essential electrolytes like sodium. This fluid loss can lead to temporary low blood pressure, or orthostatic hypotension, which is that dizzy feeling you get when you stand up too fast. Another factor is prostaglandins, the hormones that cause cramps. In some people, these enter the bloodstream, widening blood vessels and temporarily dropping pressure. The fix is simple but vital: stay intensely hydrated. Aim for 2.5 to 3 liters of water, and use a low-sugar electrolyte mix to replenish the sodium your body is losing. Finally, you can block the prostaglandin effect and relieve both dizziness and cramps by taking ibuprofen at the very first sign of period pain. The fourth cause involves your blood sugar. Hormonal fluctuations, particularly in estrogen, can make your body slightly less efficient at regulating blood sugar. This can result in relative blood sugar dips, not usually low enough to be true medical hypoglycemia, but enough to trigger dizziness, shakiness, or brain fog. It is critical to note that true, dangerously low blood sugar is effectively never caused by menstruation alone in a healthy person. Most dizziness people blame on low sugar is actually due to being dehydrated or simply skipping meals. The solution is prevention. Prioritize stable blood sugar by eating small, balanced meals consistently every 3 to 4 hours during your cycle. Putting it all together, here is your comprehensive, quick start plan for relief. First, prioritize hydration. This is the fastest way to support your blood volume and prevent dizziness. Second, get ahead of cramps and blood pressure drops by taking an NSAID like ibuprofen with food at the earliest sign of pain. Third, keep your energy and blood sugar stable by eating every few hours, think oatmeal and nuts, or yogurt and fruit. Fourth, move slowly. A sudden standing movement is often what triggers the dizzy spell when your blood pressure is low, so give your body time to adjust. Finally, limit diuretics like caffeine and alcohol, as they only worsen dehydration. While period dizziness is usually benign, there are specific symptoms that warrant immediate medical attention. We urge you to seek care right away if your dizziness includes fainting, or near fainting. You should also see a doctor immediately if you experience chest pain, shortness of breath, confusion, or a severely irregular heartbeat. A critical sign for severe blood loss is soaking through more than 1 pad or tampon per hour for several consecutive hours. If your dizzy spells continue well after your period has finished, this also suggests a different issue that needs investigation. These red flags could signal severe anemia, a heart rhythm issue, or another serious health concern. Always consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice and diagnosis. References.